I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious sushi using canned tuna. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need one 5-ounce can of tuna, 1 cup of sushi rice, several nori sheets, and 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Also, prepare your tools: a sharp knife, a bamboo rolling mat, and a small bowl of water. Selecting good quality canned tuna, either in oil or water, is key for the best taste and texture in your homemade sushi rolls. Now let's prepare the two main components, the rice and the tuna filling. First, cook 1 cup of sushi rice as directed on the package. Once cooked, gently fold in 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar to season it perfectly. Next, thoroughly drain 1 5-ounce can of tuna, ensuring all excess liquid is removed. Flake the tuna into a bowl, then mix it with 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise and a small pinch of salt and pepper to create a delicious, creamy filling. Now comes the fun part: rolling your sushi. Lay a sheet of nori shiny side down on your bamboo mat, covering about 2/3 of it. Moisten your hands slightly with water to prevent sticking, then spread a thin, even layer of seasoned rice over the nori, leaving a 1-inch border at the top. Place a horizontal line of your tuna mixture across the center of the rice. Using the bamboo mat, carefully roll the sushi tightly, pressing gently to seal the edges and form a perfect cylinder. Finally, it's time to slice and serve your delicious homemade tuna sushi. Moisten your sharp knife with water to prevent the rice from sticking, then carefully slice each roll into 8 equal, bite-sized pieces. Arrange these beautiful sushi pieces neatly on a serving platter to showcase your culinary creation. Serve your fresh tuna sushi immediately with classic accompaniments such as soy sauce, a few slices of pickled ginger, and a small dab of wasabi for an authentic and enjoyable experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.